Hi, this is the answer. This is answer for the question 3, from Hw1, and at the beginning we can know that for some convenience we can know that the symbol R to represent the number it received, and the signal S to represent the number sending at the beginning. And so for the first question, question 1, for the sub question, it asks us to find the probability that data 0 is received, and so the target probability is the received number equal to 0, and it can be it can split into two situations. The first situation is that when you send the number 0, but you receive the number when you send the number 1, but you receive the number 0. And plus another situation is that when you send the 0, but you finally got 0, and we can take use of the conditional probability that the first probability can be represent that you received number 0, and the condition that you send number 1 at the beginning, plus the probability that you send number 1 at the beginning. And this one can also be represented as when you receive the number 0 and the condition that you send the number 0 at the beginning, and plus the probability that you send the number 0 at the beginning. And here for the first part, those four parts we can also get from the information of this figure, and we can get the first part is when you send 1 and you receive 0, it's 0.2, and this one is the probability you send 1 at the beginning. It is 0.4, and similarly, this one is 0.7, and this one is 0.6, and finally we got 0.8 plus 0.42, and the final answer is 0.5. And for the second question, it asks us to find the probability of error, and at the question, the probability p error can be represented. It can also split into two situations. The first one is when you send 1, but you received 0, and another condition is that when you send 0, but finally you received 1. It is the two error conditions situations, and similarly to the first sub questions, this one can be represented into you received 0, and the condition you send 1, and plus the probability that you send 1, and plus you received 0, under the condition you send 0. You received 1 under the condition you send 0, plus you send 0. And also from this figure, we can get the information that here it is 0.3 plus 0.3 plus it's 0.2 plus 0.4 multiply 0.4 and 0.3 multiply 0.6 and the final answer is 0.26.